What? What are you guys talking about? What is that?
It's in Audrey made up of words for Hokey Pokey and Jack. We made up like, and watch. You put your hippos in. David did.
Your headphones?
Your hippos, you're supposed to like put your feet, but David's like, you put your hippos in, you put your hippos out, you put your hippos in, you set it all up. You do the Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself. You know hippos are really fast. I saw it at the zoo before, and you know what? So here's a little window. There's one swimming right here. It's so fun. There's water right there. It's swimming in the water.
What was?
A hippo at the zoo.
I thought you were saying hip bone.
Hippos. Hippos. So your hips.
Oh, okay. Oh, shocker. Okay, wow. Well, at first I thought you were saying you put your headphones in. Headphones, yeah.
You put your headphones in, you put your headphones out, you put your music in, you put your music out.
Is there anything to do?
You put your headphones.
I need to get organized, so no. I need to
Put your hippo in, you put your hippo out.
Okay, that is enough. I don't want to hear the Hokey Pokey in my
and
office.
you shake the.
Okay, David.
No, Hokey Pokey.
It's not.
No, it's sailing off. Noah's Ark. It's on Noah's Ark.
It's the Noah's Ark?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Noah's Ark.
What else do you guys want to talk about?
You.
No. We're not talking
Yeah,
about
that's a
me.
good idea.
No, it's
You
not.
are so fun to talk about.
Audrey.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
you keep like
Okay, a new topic,
You're
Molly.
like the best person to talk.
Keep talking.
We have this bird at home. It's not real, but my mom bought it for me, and it's those red birds. Those red birds, and
Is it one of the ones that balance?
no, it's not rainbow, but it looks really real. And every time you like move it,
Yeah.
it like makes noise. But I like this never want to move it
Funny.
because it just makes it all the time. Every time you move it.
What is this?
Views.
Use.
Thanks. Thanks.
You guys want to know something that's really neat?
What?
I bought a GoPro. You ever heard of a GoPro?
Yeah!
I bought one. What?
They go in the water.
That's one thing they do.
Today?
I'm not gonna get it till this afternoon. Okay, so
Could you bring it in?
bring it in Friday, sure.
What is it again?
It's called a GoPro. So like, I'll show you a video on it before we start.
Oh, is it like an iPhone?
It's awesome. It's more
It's
awesome.
like
than
a
I think.
camera.
It's like a camera that's like this big, and you can like hook it onto your. Would you listen to me talk? You can hook it onto a bike and like ride down pipeline, and the footage it takes video and pictures. So the footage is so yeah. You can do underwater next
Like a
summer.
shark.
No thanks, Molly.
John had one of those, and we put it under the bathtub, and I put my toys under it.
Hey, that's a good idea. We can make a little kids video.
But it
I want to get some crazy footage and then do something with it. Wouldn't that be neat?
Yeah, you could.
Or put it on a remote control car and chase mittens. Wouldn't that be neat? Audrey?
Next summer we could go in the pool.
Yes.
And you could like video. My mom can do this trick where she like stands on her head and her like feet are sticking out of the water.
Wow, maybe you should do the trick.
Try a slow motion one.
Yeah. There's a time lapse one where you can video the sky, and there's also one where this guy jumps off or does this bike trick, but it takes pictures of the whole time, so it looks really neat. Let Marianne talk.
I went to Palandos and Uncle John gave it to me at the beach because it was my birthday.
A GoPro?
Yeah, no, it's just a camera that you go into water with. And we went in the water at Hawaii and in the pool, and then we took pictures of each other.
That's neat. Did you get it developed?
Can I say something?
Molly's turn.
Yeah. We could open. In my pool, you can open up your eyes underwater, and it's fun. So you can like video underwater and like see.
That's a good
like,
idea.
See people.
I want to do some stuff like that. You guys, I could put it in my fish tank. What?
Yeah!
We could put it in my fish tank.
Yeah, no, I
Okay.
I'm gonna get a snail tomorrow.
Okay, maybe we should put it in your fish tank. What, David?
Okay, he's so pretty.
Is your fish tank clean?
Yeah,
Okay.
he's so pretty.
Okay. Mine
It's a pink
has
fish.
a neat light, or it
If
used to have a neat light,
you know
and it makes
what?
the fish
If you
look like
get
they
a
glow in the
snail,
dark.
if you get a snail and cleaned out your tank, and they stick to the wall, so when I get it,
Wow, David. Every time I get snails, they
you
die.
should get a slow motion of a football in the air, and then
Okay.
you should go down with somebody trying to jumping to catch it, and then when it goes down.
I got these little attachments. You can wear a baseball hat and put the GoPro on your head, so I could like run around and it would be videoing what I was seeing. Or I got one that you can hook onto your stomach, and then you can wear one like right there. And if I was videoing you guys, would be.
Back here, and
What?
it
No,
showed
on
him
your
like
stomach.
falling, and then he just ran down.
Oh yeah, that would be neat. What?
I'd like to. We could someone could be running, and like pee or something, and they can like flip in the pool, and
Really?
and with the go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, we're gonna have to have a contest if you
Then
can
do
come up
the
with the
very
craziest
front
ideas with the whole school.
And
Like,
do you know what?
Lauren had some crazy ideas. Taylor and who was it?
Good.
Somebody had some crazy ideas. It's like,
Could I tell you
yes,
something?
one more thing, and then we're gonna.
One
keep going.
time we saw the GoPro on this TV
Mhm.
at the place at Costco,
Oh yeah.
and we saw pictures that you could take, and it was something like in an airplane or something, videoing.
Oh.
And there was this guy standing on a tall like mountain thing, like there was a bunch of like red bricks, like
Whoa.
bunch.
Wow. Okay, we're gonna have to get creative. What?
Good one. A monkey swinging from each tree. That's awesome.
Maybe you should take it to the-
And it makes you faces. Oh no, we could
What?
David doing that.
Yeah, you're plugging your ears. You're the one who's loud.
We could dress up as a monkey, and then we could get on trees. David's like the best climber, so he could swing on every tree.
That is an idea.
I'm crazy.
Should we watch a GoPro video? You guys want to see that before we start?
Yeah.
David?